Welcome to the BHG Update Series, March 2024. In this short video, I'll be sharing some exciting new developments from the Being Human group. For the first time, we are offering a workshop to help individuals build personal resilience. For us, personal resilience has never been more important as people struggle to meet the ever increasing demands of daily life. The Building Personal Resilience workshop comes from our work with individuals, groups, and teams, and working with managers and leaders. Our work's based on this notion that we can enter a state of performance or flow if we bring and integrate the best of us with the work that we do. What we've discovered is that people also need a way to manage their energy as they are striving to perform well. And for us, resilience is about building of that energy, about the stretching and use of energy, and about recovering that energy before we meet or enter the zone of burnout. The course is really based on the notion of defining personal resilience and understanding its importance, identifying personal strengths and weaknesses related to resilience. So, both what do we bring and perhaps what we need to watch out for. We want to learn strategies to cope with stress, setbacks, and adversity. And we want to importantly cultivate a growth mindset around enhanced self awareness. And then for us, finally, we want to be very intentional. We want to help people develop a personalized action plan for building and maintaining resilience. We also introduce participants to the Clifton Strength Assessment. We think it's just a wonderful tool that provides fantastic insights around what people bring to the party and perhaps what they need to watch out for. The training is suitable for professionals, teams and managers, and individuals simply seeking to enhance their personal resilience. It's a program that's facilitated by Gallup Global Strength Coaches. The 2-day art program includes the following. On day one, we want to understand personal resilience, define the notion and its importance, how we see resilience in everyday life, and then, of course, linking that to some self awareness and self assessment tools. We want to identify personal strengths and weaknesses and use group discussions and activities to find and begin to develop coping strategies for resilience. On day two, we want to cultivate a growth mindset of this ability to bounce forward. That's based on some self reflection, identifying limiting beliefs, again, developing strategies for self improvement, and then turning that into a resilience action plan that people can take back to the workplace in order to implement. The learning experience is one that's highly interactive. We have group discussions, self assessment exercises, case studies, and real life examples, which we think is just so important for it to be practical, role playing and simulations where required, and then individual and group activities. Some of the options that we can bring to the party here is we can customize this course to meet your specific needs. We can deliver this face to face or virtual or hybrid. We can provide additional individual or group coaching support to roll out the program, and participants can access on demand learning resources post the course. We also then provide post training feedback to the organization. If personal resilience is something that interests you, you may also be interested in our other programs. Resilience for teams, in other words, how do we help teams build team resilience? And then finally, helping managers build resilient teams. There is a predictive and intentional step by step process managers can follow to help build resilient teams. We provide an excellent framework managers can use to be intentional in the team resilience space. If you need to get a hold of us, you're welcome to email us info@bhgroup.africa, or you can simply visit our webpage www.bhgroup.africa. From my side, Yendor Felgate, it was great to connect with you. Look forward to our next BHG update series.